Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Projects. So in this video I will show you the helmet detection system.
We have used a YOLO V8 algorithm, which is the latest algorithm of YOLO series. Okay, latest version. So that is very accurate, fast, and easy for processing. Okay, so we have utilized the same algorithm. Okay, teacher may ask you why you have chosen that algorithm. So you can simply say this is the recent one, accurate in terms of everything. Okay, performance, accuracy, it's very accurate one. So we have utilized that one, and so this is a I'll share you this collab link for the training helmet and for live helmet detection. So no need to train the model again. Okay, if you want you can do training. Yeah, I have added complete code from till taking downloading file from remote server to getting it trained. Everything is there. Just only thing which you need to do, you need to if you are training the algorithm, then you need to go to your Google Drive. Here you need to create one folder called new folder, and make sure the name should be helmet. It is case sensitive and everything will be should be same. Okay, then only it will work. Detection, and just hit enter. Okay, then after that, then just run this code block wise. First run this block, then run this block, then it will ask you for permission, then give the permission, then run this block. It will make the unzip into the same folder which you have created. Okay, then it will install the some libraries. After YOLO V8, V5 or V7, it has basically YOLO developers has launched one library called Ultralytics. Okay, this is the Python library. So with this, we can directly train the YOLO model, and it can install it. Made the simply it simplifies the YOLO training prediction and everything. Okay, and then this is the command to run the train the algorithm. Like as we have mentioned, key task it detect. There are multiple tasks which YOLO can do, like detection, segmentation, masking, etc. So we want detection, we are classification model. Same, our mode is training mode, and we have utilized a small model. Okay, and our image size is 650, and this is the dataset path which we have just downloaded and unzipped into your like Google Colab. And we have, as of now, we have used 100 epochs. Okay, and batch size we have taken as 64, and this is the output folder part. Okay, where it will save, then it will train the model. I have already done this, so you no need to do this. If you want you can, otherwise it's okay. And then here are the some commands to make the system free, collect the whatever data has loaded in the memory. So it will just remove it from garbage collection. Okay, and then we are just converting the based pt file. Basically the default extension for pt, default weight type. Okay, but we want onx file to run our system or Raspberry Pi, so we are just converting pt into onnx. Okay, and then it is just it is architecture which I have downloaded. So this is the YOLO V8 architecture, which you can refer. So it has uses multiple convolutional layer, max pooling layer. They have uses multiple backbone layers. Okay, so you can go to Google or YouTube, just search for uh, architecture. You will understood ki how exactly architecture is work, and you can understand, learn about architecture. Okay, in YouTube or everything, multiple resources are available, so you can refer that. Okay, for the architecture part. So this is the peak of graph of our 100 epochs. So we have achieved very good accuracy, almost more than 90%. Okay, and this is the F1 score. This is the recall fact confidence. Okay, so everything is like we have achieved very good accuracy with the this YOLO V8 algorithm. Okay, and this is for training part. Similarly, I will share you this live helmet detection link. Similarly, you don't have to do anything, you just have to run everything blockwise. Okay, it will automatically gets configure everything. So here it will download the based model file from my directory. So you no need to do it. Okay, and then install this library. Then this is the code for this is the by default code which YOLO provides to detect the boxes, to do some prediction and calculate IOE. It's internal YOLO architecture. Okay, we have just used the same from the YOLO library. Okay, and and this is draw detection. It will draw text, draw box, draw mark, like that. Okay, similarly this is the architecture of YOLO V8. Okay, and this is the architecture in prepare input, and this prepare output folder. It's multiple this is predefined code which is available in Google your alternative library. So we have taken from there, so you can say that. And this is the function which we have created, where we are just making the object of YOLO architecture, and making reading the file or the image file, and then detecting the object and then drawing that. Okay, and then we are displaying into the collab. Okay, similarly, here we have written the function where we can upload the files. Okay, so when you run this, it will ask you for image, so you can choose file, and I will share you some images. You can upload any of these. If you want to upload your own, you can also upload your. Okay, so as you can see, it is giving the in the output, whatever input you will provide, it will give output in terms of key whether that particular rider is wearing helmet or not, like that. Okay, if it is wearing, it is without helmet, then it will draw blue box. If it is wearing, then it will draw some orange kind of box. Okay, so this way, as of now, it is working. So it is almost uh, you know uh, 50 to 50, it is almost, it is a backbone of our project. So almost 40 to 50% is this is the main part. Okay, so which basically the helmet is the best thing which is there in our project. So you can share this with your faculty and everything, and just do some research. Watch is YOLO algorithm, YOLO V8 architecture, how we do pre-processing, image processing. Do some learning on this. Okay, and do let me know in case if you have doubt or any facing, if you are any facing any issue while running the code. I believe it's simple, you just have to run blockwise, so I think you can do that. So it's not any big science. So just running the block, it's simple thing. Okay, and you no need to run this training again and again, but if you want, you can do it. It's also simple configuration, just blockwise run. Okay, so yeah, that's it.
If you have any doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.